Take it.
Take it.
Take it. Take it out.
Lesson 1.2. Choose a theme and layout template from Slides Carnival. Do a quick search for Slides Carnival. Select the first option that comes up in the list. Here, you can find pre-made templates for your Google Slides. Select Formal, Inspirational, Creative. There are many to choose from. Once you find the template of your interest, select the template, and then scroll down to Use as a Google Slides theme. Select it and make a copy. This will automatically create a template for you in your Google Drive, and it is your Google Slide presentation. Here is the Google Slide presentation from Slides Carnival. Begin by changing the name of the slide. You can edit and modify all of these slides for your own presentation. If there are slides you no longer need at the end, you can always select them and then delete them from the presentation.